I'm not introducing every song, but I will introduce this next one. It's a song that we started singing not that long ago, but we've enjoyed singing it. The words in it are very meaningful. It does have a link as well to Cardiff Bay. I haven't got time to go into details of what that link's about, but just want you to enjoy the words. It's called It Is Well With My Soul. And we've got Carl coming to sing us. Oh, you're down there.
Like a river attendeth my way, or when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to know. It is well with my soul. It is well.
Right, everybody, the next song is a Welsh folk song. It's called Ar Lan y Môr, and I'm going to attempt to sing along with the choir, and Carl is going to be accompanying me on the guitar, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
On my little harp, you should have said.
Oh yeah, on his little harp. Sorry, Carl.
It's not a Welsh one, I'm afraid.
Oh dear.
Excuse me. No.
Okay, thank you for still being here. I'd like to introduce you now to some very special friends of mine, and this is the beginnings really of our Herbert Thompson School staff choir. We've had a few people that couldn't make it today, so we're just going to do our very best. We only started practicing about 5 weeks ago, so we're a bit nervous, but we're going to give it a go. And I said, you're such a nice audience here on the Glanford that we're going to just enjoy it. So let's give a warm welcome, please, to Herbert Thompson. guys. Onwards and upwards now. We just need another 10. Miss Hawkins here to support us, our head teacher. Were we all right, Miss? Can we do it again, Miss? Oh, thank you. Okay, in the actual theatre, she said, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, we're going to keep moving on. We've got another track of Peter Gabriel, and choir come back on, and Zach's going to solo on this one. Zach, give me, everybody.
I get so lost sometimes. Days pass, and this emptiness fills my heart. When I want to run away, I drive off in my car. But whichever way I go, I come back to the place you are. To my instincts, they return when the ground sun so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside. In your eyes, the light, the heat, I am complete. I see the doorway to 1,000 churches, the resolution of all the fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. Oh, I wanna be that complete. I wanna touch the light, the heat I see in your eyes. In your eyes. In your eyes. In your eyes. Love, I don't like to see so much pain, so much wasted, and this moment keeps slipping away. I get so tired, working so hard for our survival. I look to the time with you to keep me awake and alive.
All my instincts, they return, and the ground facade so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside.
it's now the chance of the men to shine. This is a song from the musical War Horse. I don't know if many of you saw it when it was here. We came along, great show. And this is the song that's sung, I think, at the end of the performance. And it's really a reflection of lives that have been lost, and that the words talk about it's only the good things that we have done that will be remembered for. So this is called Only Remembered, and a cappella, so we're being very brave. Over to you, chaps. Oh, here she is. Come on, you can introduce this song.
Hello everybody, my name's Naomi. I'm going to sing a song. If there's any Wicked fans in here, please give us a wave. Yeah, I'm going to sing the big number. Oh, hopefully I'll do it justice. I dreamed a dream. I hope you enjoy it. There was a time when men were kind, and their voices were soft, and their words inviting. There was a time when love was blind, and there was a song, and the song was exciting. There was a time when it all went wrong. was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers come at night with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they turn your dream to shame. He slept this summer by my side. He filled my days with endless wonder. He took my childhood in his stride, but he was gone when autumn came. And still I dream it come to me that we would live the years together. That there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. And I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now life has killed the dream I
Hello. Apparently I'm introducing this song. This is a song called With or Without You. Oh, it's not. There's nothing else. It's a song by Metallica, but also, I hope, but also sung by Scala Choir. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this.
we'd like to invite Herbert Thompson School to come and join us. We're going to sing With or Without You, and then we're going to finish with one of our favourite choir songs, and it's Africa. So come on then, guys, and we're going to do With or Without You. our concert with Africa. Thanks again to Herbert Thompson for coming out tonight and being very brave. Thank you. Thanks. And special thanks to Kevin Phillips for accompanying us, and all our soloists, Sean and Zach and Naomi and Colin and everybody that's just joined in and had fun tonight. So we're going to finish with Africa. We have got a Christmas concert coming up in Norwegian Church on the 19th of December. Am I right? Yeah? 19th of December. It's a ticketed event. We are going to be giving profits to charity. We're not quite sure which one. It'll be a local charity. So if you're interested in that, tickets are selling out very fast. It's a very small venue. So if you're interested in that, please see Simon, our choir administrator, the one waving. And actually, we're on Mermaid Quay the week before doing some Christmas songs. So, yeah, if you're there, come and say hi. So this is Africa. You can join in if you know it.